If I look around the mess someone made, I would only recognize your face. Wishing you had stayed, wishing you were here with me. If I hold that night with my bloody hands, would you tell me to stop myself?
Hey friends, what's up? It's your girls Alicia and Elise, and I'm Alicia. Y'all, happy holidays. I truly pray that you guys are enjoying your holiday. Know that this is all about the birth of Jesus, and that is it, okay? But in the time being, you know, you can also dibble and dabble in some gifts like this one. I did pick this up from Amazon, so if you guys are interested, definitely check the description box down below where everything's going to be linked. So this is this gorgeous reddish-brown body wave 7x5 lace front unit. Y'all can see this is one of their bye-bye knots, ready to wear, pre-everything unit. So that lace is pre-cut, that hairline is laid. This has 7x5 inches of parting space. That does feature their transparent HD lace, and of course the cap construction, so you can definitely wear this gluelessly. I love the fact that this unit also features the contoured ear area as well as that anti-slip band, and my unit is in a 24 inch. But this is how my hair came directly out of the box. You guys can see that it is ready to wear. You really don't have to do anything to it, but I do go and lay it just a bit just to make it look a little more refreshed and natural. So I'm just going to take my gel and lay those edges down as well as set them in place by using my edge band. This is really going to give you a really quick throw on and go feel, and I'm going to refreshen these curls by taking a little bit of my mousse and using my curling wand.
I would keep you like a safe place if I choose to lose my own pace. In my mind, you and me, we dance as if distance isn't our disgrace. I just count the days to see you again. Tripping over if you can't stay, tripping with my feet.
So now that the hair is styled to my liking, we're just gonna have a quick look at how it's set. Those edges are set. I did take a little bit of this airbrush stuff and applied it to the inside of the lace just to kind of mimic my skin tone a little bit because it was coming off a little bit light. I'm gonna go ahead and get this unit on. Y'all, can we please admire this color? This is really giving festive. It's giving Christmas vibes. But y'all, as you guys can see, that lace is still coming up a little bit light, so I'm just going to take a little more of that spray tan and apply it to the lace, and just to kind of conceal it a little bit because y'all, it was definitely coming up lighter than usual. I am just going to cut in some baby hairs. Y'all can see just about how much I took because I do want some dramatic baby hairs with this one. Of course, if baby hairs aren't your thing, then sis, skip this step. Y'all don't have to leave a comment because I know some girl was like, y'all, that looks like a curtain, and I was like, my feelings are hurt. But no, I'm just kidding. I'm just laying those baby hairs by taking a little bit of that gel and swooping them, and I'm gonna clean up that parting space with a little bit of my concealer just to make it look a little more defined because y'all know I have on a black stocking cap, and I'm just gonna go through the hair and do some light styling.
I'm a little tipsy. I think about you all the time. Call me back.
Okay, so you guys were able to see that I did do some very light styling with this one. I cut some layers in the hair, and I also applied a bit of some darker root concealer just to give it a nice transition. Here are the angles of the hair. Now the length that I have mine in is in a 24-inch, and I believe the density of this is 180%. Again, all of the information regarding this wig is going to be linked down below in the description area. As I'm sitting here editing this video, I'm looking at the hair, I'm looking at my skin, and y'all, this is coming up really light. I am not this light, and this hair is not that red. This is like a nice brownish red color. You guys gonna see at the end of the video, it's going to come up more realistic. But anyways, I am going to put this hair in a side part. Again, this has 7 by 5 inches of parting space, so you can definitely change it up. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this unit in a side part. Let me know which style you prefer. Do you prefer it in the original middle part or side part? Okay, so this is how my unit came out looking. You guys can see the color of this one. It's looking more reddish brownish here, but I'm absolutely loving how much body movement and volume is within this unit. The only thing that I would change is just how light that lace is coming off, but y'all, I do think this unit is an A1. Again, this comes from Unice on Amazon. Let me know what you guys think about this one, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Happy holidays, guys.